Have you ever felt like you're stuck in the slow lane of financial growth? You've heard all the advice: start investing, build your wealth, let your money work for you. But as you dive into the details, you find yourself facing a wall of jargon. Things like management fees, expense ratios, and AUM start to feel less like investment terms and more like a secret language you're not a part of. And with every potential platform you look at, you can't help but wonder, what is this really going to cost me? It's a question that can stop an aspiring investor in their tracks. It's not just about the numbers, it's about trust. You want to know that your hard-earned money isn't just going to disappear into a black hole of hidden charges and complex fees. You want clarity, transparency, and a clear path to building your future. And that's exactly what StashAway has tried to build their brand on. As one of the most popular robo-advisors in Asia, they've simplified the investing process for thousands of people. But even with a simplified process, the most crucial question remains: what exactly is the fee for a StashAway fund? Let's break it down, because it's not just one number. StashAway's fee structure is actually a blend of two main components: their annual management fee and the expense ratios of the underlying funds. Think of it as a two-part harmony. First, let's talk about the annual management fee. This is the fee StashAway charges for their services, which includes everything from building your portfolio and managing your investments to rebalancing it as market conditions change. They charge this as a tiered percentage of your total assets under management, or AUM. The more you invest, the lower the percentage becomes. For a portfolio up to the first $25,000, the fee is a flat 0.8%. From there, it gradually steps down, all the way to 0.2% for portfolios over $1 million. And the great thing is, this fee covers all your transactions and rebalancing costs, so you don't have to worry about a surprise charge every time your portfolio is optimized. StashAway also makes it easy by taking the fees from a small cash allocation in your portfolio on a monthly basis, so it's a small, predictable amount. Now for the second part, the expense ratio. This is a separate, unavoidable fee that every investor pays, regardless of what platform you use. It's the cost charged by the fund managers of the ETFs, the exchange-traded funds, that StashAway invests your money into. This fee covers the operational costs of the fund itself. StashAway doesn't control or pocket this fee, they just pass it on to you. On average, the expense ratios for the ETFs in StashAway portfolios hover around 0.2% annually. It's a small number, but it's important to be aware that it's an additional layer of cost. So, when you combine the two, a typical StashAway portfolio would have a total fee of around 1% annually for a smaller investor. For every $1,000 you have invested, you're paying roughly $10 per year in fees. When you compare this to the traditional investment options like mutual funds from a bank, which can charge anywhere from 1% to 3% or more, StashAway's model starts to look very competitive. But here's a key detail that's often overlooked: StashAway also has a few specialty products with different fee structures. For example, their StashAway Simple Cash Management product has a management fee of just 0.15%. While a single ETF flexible portfolio has a management fee of 0.3%. The point is, fees are not a one-size-fits-all number. They depend on what you're investing in and how much. Ultimately, the fee for StashAway is not a single, shocking number. It's a transparent, tiered management fee combined with the standard, pass-through expense ratios of the underlying funds. Understanding this distinction is what puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.